This is the LEMFO LEM9. It's a revolutionary new Android standalone smartwatch phone running Android 7.1.1 with very colorful widgets, with step information that we've seen in all these Android 7 watches, and with a variety of apps and fitness capabilities. But it does something really unique. When you turn it off, it switches to bracelet mode using a completely different processor and gives you a colorful, always-on display with up to 5 days of backup time. On top of that, you got a new bezel design, two-tone, two-color, and a front-facing camera that is on the lower part of the actual body itself. It's the LEMFO LEM9. Check it out.